This video will show you how to replace the multifunction switch on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located along the driver's side of your steering column. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our multifunction switch. To do this, we're going to have to remove our column covers. Along the front of the steering column covers, you're going to find two Phillips head screws. There's one on the driver's side, and there's one in the exact same spot, except on the opposite side of the steering column. For this, you should be able to turn the steering wheel as necessary to gain access to those bolts. Now we're going to have a third mounting bolt directly under the center portion of the steering column cover here. Ours is missing. You'd want to go ahead and remove that bolt as well. Continuing on, we're going to start separating the two covers from each other. You're going to find that there is a seam. We can gently tug. It should want to come apart. If it does not, we're going to gently pry in between the two places so we can separate them. I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. You can use a plastic trim tool, whatever's best for you. Once you have one side separated, just go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. We should be able to remove that lower panel. Just a quick inspection of that and we'll set it aside. Now let's tilt the steering wheel down as far as possible so we can start dislodging the upper panel as well. Both covers are out of the way. Looking along the bottom of the multifunction switch is where you're going to find your electrical wiring harness. Squeeze in on the locking tab and pull that out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion, you can set the wiring aside. Now there's one locking tab holding this in place. You can use an angled pick or a screwdriver like I am and make your way inside this area. We're pressing the locking tab away or forward, and now we can slide this out. It's time for installation of our brand new multifunction switch. We're going to be taking the multifunction switch and sliding it onto the bracket. You can see that there's hooked ears here and here. This is our locking tab. Those hooked ears are going to fit over the outsides of this bracket, and the locking tab is going to lock in on the center. Line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click. After that noise, we're just going to give this a wiggle, confirming it is properly secured. It should not slide out of place. It's time for our electrical connector. Line it up, press it in. One last quick inspection in this area and we can start reinstalling our steering column covers, starting with the upper cover first. As we bring this down, we're attempting to align it with the multifunction switch. Once it looks as though it's properly aligned, we're pressing this in. Let's tilt the steering column up. And it's time for the lower panel. As far as the lower panel, we want to make sure that our steering column adjustment lever fits through this slot. We'll bring this up until it's matched up with the upper panel, and then start installing our mounting bolts. Now I can see on this side I am properly aligned. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and as I mentioned, onto the mounting bolts. Now obviously we should have 3 mounting bolts, one for either side and one on the bottom. Our lower bolt was missing. It's broken in there. I'm going to continue on to the 2 bolts I can gain access to. We'll start them in and snug them up. And we finished our installation. The next thing you do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.